Welcome in to the Woolly Review. We are doing King Cole Pricewise DK. The cheapest place I found this was on the Wool Shop at £1.85 for a skein. Now there are 73 different colours for this, so you've got a really nice choice. This one is in the shade Shamrock. Now if I bring that closer to the camera, maybe you get a better sense of it, maybe not. Okay, so this is 100 grams, which is approximately 320 yards, 290 meters. It is 100% acrylic. It feels, the best way I can describe this is it feels like high-end cheap. Good for your pockets, but a high end of good for your pockets. So it's not cheap and cheerful. It feels like, you know what, that's not too bad for the price. That's all right. But we'll find out, because I'm going to do a little swatch. Now this is going to a winner of my Woolly Wednesday. So I'm only going to do a half swatch for this because I don't want to use up too much of their yarn. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's squeaking. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Squeaky, squeaky. Okay, one row of single crochet. And the hook I am using was a design that was in my head. And I told Jelena, who is over in Serbia, what I wanted, and she brought it into fruition for a really good price. Really good price with the postage as well. It's great that she can design what you wish. And she's of course linked down below, Cutlery Designs on Etsy. So there's our row of single crochet. I so wish you could see this as its proper colour, because that looks nothing like it on the camera. What a shame. I bet if I turn the light out it's way too dark. Yeah, thought so. Sorry. Okay, oh, we're doing half doubles now. We're not here to judge my awful crochet skills. We're just here to review. Maybe you've tried this, or maybe you've thought about it. Maybe you liked it. Maybe you didn't. You'll have to let me know down in the comments below. And while you're down there, maybe be willing to give me a thumbs up. Maybe. Or, if you're being really nice, you could press that subscribe button, completely free, and it may well help me help you. Okay. Not an overly, in real life, there's not overly a lot of stitch definition on that. It kind of merges, intermingles with the rest of the stitches, so you can't really tell. I'm going to do a row of double as my last row. There is stretch in there, little elasticity, and I am getting squeakified. Also, if you're interested, hanky markers, they're for sale too, down in the description below. Have a look, see if you like, and hopefully I can accommodate. I've also got a few affiliate links down below for Lion Brand, Annie's, Mary Maxim, Lovecrafts, Ice, and Amazon. Okay, so on the camera, that's really, really good stitch definition. In reality, no, not so much. It doesn't feel bad. It's not overly soft, but it doesn't feel overly cheap, but it does feel cheap. I don't know how to explain that. Let's do a slow frog, followed by a fast frog. It's a frog on a moped. There we go. We do have a little bit of kink, kind of to be expected, and I'm going to wrap it up so that the winner will never know that I've been there, despite the fact that I've just wrapped a skein like that. They will never know. So that is the Pricewise from King Cole. Would I turn my back on it completely? That's all you got, forget it. Nope. Would I be, oh, that's all you've got in? Oh, fine, go on then, I'll take it. Nope. Would it be in my top 5? Yeah, I think it would. And I'm going to push it to a 3.5. I think there's an amazing array of colours in there, which is great. If you can get it for the cheaper price, I think that's really, really, really good. I mean, almost 300 meters worth. That's pretty good. You've got to take into account it isn't going to feel like luxury, but it feels quite all right. So there we go. That is my review for King Cole Pricewise. Don't forget to let me know what you think down below, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.